Hello friends, today we are going to learn bridge course which is given by Government of Maharashtra for day 4. I am starting a PPT presentation, PowerPoint presentation prepared by me. So let's start today's session. Welcome to all of you in Sri Saraswati Bhavan High School, Jalna. I am Mr. Khire Sandeep Mithalrao. We are going to learn today bridge course of standard 9 subject maths 1 or 2 for day 4. And our today's topic is collinear points and non-collinear points. You know collinear points and non-collinear points. Let's study about collinear points and non-collinear points. Okay. Now we will see collinear points and non-collinear points. Some important points are there. Some dots are there. Can you see the dots or points? Some points are given. How many points are there? 9. Yes, there are 9 points in all. There are 9 points in this figure. Now you have to name all those 9 points. You can give any name, any alphabetical letter, capital letter. If you choose any 2 points, how many lines can pass through the pair? You can draw, you have to draw a line passing through any 2 points. How many lines you can draw passing through any 2 points from the above figure? Okay, you have to try this at your home in your notebook. Next is, out of these 9 points, 3 or more than 3 points lies on a single straight line. You will definitely identify those points. Means out of all these 9 points, 3 or more than 3 points lie on a single straight line. You have to find out those points. How many lines you can draw passing through all these 3 or more than 3 points? You have to draw these lines. Collinear points. What is meant by collinear points? Collinear points means 3 or more than 3 points lie on a single straight line are said to be collinear points. 3 or more than 3 points lie on a single straight line are said to be collinear points. Okay. For example, in the figure, can you see the figure? Yes. Some points are given on a line. Point A, point B, and point C. Means we can see 3 points given on a line. Means in these 3 points, a single line passes through these 3 points. Therefore, we can say all these points are collinear points. This is the definition of collinear points. If 3 points or more than 3 points lie in a single straight line, then those points are called collinear points. Okay. Now we will see non-collinear points. Out of these 9 points, there are 9 points in first figure. 3 or more than 3 points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. Out of all given points, 3 or more than 3 points which do not lie on the same line are called non-collinear points. For example, some points are given: point P, point Q, point R, and point S. There are 4 points. Can you see, are these points in a single line? Are these points lie in a single straight line? Any three points or more than 3 points lie in a single straight line? Can you see this? No. Means points P, Q, R, and S all are non-collinear points because not a single straight line passes through all these 3 points, 3 or more than 3 points. Therefore, these points are called as non-collinear points. Got it, all of you? Okay. Now, there is an exercise for day 4. Homework for day 4. Only for you. The question number 1 is, write the names from the following figure. Write the names from the following figure. Figure is given. You have to write down collinear points, rays, segments, and lines from the given figure. Figure is given. You have to identify which are the collinear points, name them or write the answer of first example, collinear points. Which are the rays shown in the figure? Write all those rays. Which are the segments given in the figure? Write all the segments given in the figure. Lines. You have to write down all the lines from the figure. Okay? Got it, all of you? This is the homework for day 4. You have to do this in your notebook of homework. Okay, thank you very much. Now, you have to prepare this homework at your home in your notebook because pandemic time is there, COVID-19 is there. You have to take care of yourself. Use mask, sanitizer, and social distance. Keep distance. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you. Thank you very much.